Alright guys, what's going on? So as you can tell from the title, this is part 2 of this chef's knife. We're going to be finishing up in this video. So we got it all tempered, done a little bit of hand sanding, as you saw from the end of that last video. So we're going to finish up the hand sanding. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. There's some pretty deep scratches in this, so hopefully it's not too long. And then after that, we'll get the handles glued up and that all sanded down, finish those, and that's pretty much it. So spray a little water on here and get the sanding. Alright, so I noticed there's a few really deep scratches that I don't want to spend the time hand sanding to get out, so I'm going to move over here, see if I can get those out really quickly, then go back to hand sanding. So let's get to it. Alright guys, got the blade all taped up. Gonna mark out some spots and get some holes drilled in the handle. I think I said at the beginning of this video, it's only the third knife I've ever made. So all of my knowledge of how to do this comes from YouTube. A bunch of different videos, so I'm just kind of going over, do things differently every time. I haven't got to the point where I have a routine if I do it one way every single time yet. So get my calipers out and just make sure I got the right size drill bits. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and it's time to remove all these clamps. Alright guys, we got all the pins cut off. Now it's time to just sand it down, get everything flush, and then see where we're at. Alright guys, so my camera died as I was sanding that. Not sure how far I got, but this is where we're at. Not much more to go. Just kind of sand this this side of this handle down, and then I'm not going to go too fancy with it. Just going to kind of knock the corners off and call it good. Alright guys, so we got all the belt sanding done. It's pretty much even, flat, and got the corners knocked off, so now it's time to hand sand. Alright guys, so we got the knife handle all done. Time to take all this tape off and get it sharpened. Alright guys, so we just got the knife sharpened. Let's see how she cuts. Oh, not too bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think we can call that sharp.